The weather is certainly looking pretty mixed then over the next few days. For now, cloudy, quite damp, quite mild with it too. But as we head through the weekend, signs of something a little bit cooler on the way. And this is why. This is the current setup. Low pressure in charge, but fronts at the moment very much to the north and west of us. So we're on the warmer side of those. But through the course of the weekend, fronts will eventually start to sink their way southeastwards. And once they clear, we'll be in line for some more northerly winds and a much chillier feel. Out there at the moment then, we're looking at cloudy skies, that cloud low enough to give mist and murk over the higher ground and thick enough to continue to produce some outbreaks of rain or drizzle at times. Southwesterly winds too, but all of that keeping the temperatures up. A very mild night for the time of year, probably not much lower than the daytime valleys we've had today. And as we head into tomorrow morning, quite a humid feel at first, still quite cloudy and grey, a little damp in places. As the day wears on, that cloud will lift and break, and where the sunshine breaks through, potentially feeling quite warm, highs into the low 20s. And that continues into Saturday before some chillier weather to come. Well, it certainly is going to be a mixed bag weather-wise over the coming days. For now, quite cloudy, quite damp and really rather mild for the time of year. But as we head through the weekend and beyond, a change to something a little bit cooler all round. And we can see what's going on. This is how the pressure sequence will evolve over the coming days. So at the moment, fronts to the north and west, so giving us rather grey skies, but keeping us on the warmer side. However, as we head through Sunday in particular, those fronts will eventually make their way southeastwards across the UK, and behind it, the introduction of something much fresher. But for now, very mild indeed. Through the course of this evening and tonight, we'll hold on to lots of cloud, a few pockets of rain or drizzle, some mistiness over the higher ground. And with brisk southwesterly winds, that will continue to feed in very mild air. And in fact, temperatures probably not falling too much lower than the sorts of valleys we've seen today. Tomorrow morning then, a rather muggy sort of start, misty, murky, a little damp in places at first. As the day wears on, it will become drier. The cloud will thin and break in places, and where we do see any sunshine, temperatures creeping into the low 20s, but chillier conditions to come.